If you want to set your screen lock type to either PIN, password, pattern, swipe, fingerprint, Face ID on a Galaxy device, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. But before we get started, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Setting a screen lock type to either PIN, password, or pattern on Galaxy S25 or Ultra is actually quite simple. This also works for older devices depending upon whichever Samsung phone you're using. So for this, simply open Settings. Once you open Settings, scroll down and look for Security and Privacy and tap on it. Under Security and Privacy, you can see that I've already actually set a lock screen, but I can tap on this lock screen if I want to change it. So screen lock is set, tap on screen lock. Enter your current screen lock and tap on it. If you haven't set up, you won't find it. Now we can change it to either PIN, which is my current one. Yours could be password, but you can change it to password, PIN, pattern, or swipe, or none if you want to. You can also choose to add or not add a fingerprint, or choose to add a Face ID, or so on. So if I want to, let's say, change it to pattern, I can simply select pattern, and I can go ahead and then basically add a new pattern if I want to right here. Then I can tap on continue. Then once I've done that, I tap on confirm, then I tap on OK. Next time when I open up my phone, then I'll be asked to enter the pattern which I've set instead of the PIN which I had set earlier. So hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.